Everyone, in part 2 of this video I'm going to show you how to make a scatter plot for the X and the Y columns here. You want to select them, press insert. After you select the X and the Y values, click on scatter, and you now have a scatter plot for that. I'm going to right click. First I'm going to put the titles for the X and Y axis. And then I'm going to right click on a data point, add the trend line, and display the equation for the regression line and the rate correlation, or R squared. And now you'll see that on your graph. We'll have some titles, please, for your axis. Head and distance here for your axes, and we're going to determine the equation for that line without having Excel just put it there for you. In order to find the equation for that line, you know it's the format y equals mx plus b. The first thing we want to find is the slope. When we find slope, we take R, the correlation. So we're going to find slope. In Excel, we're going to multiply R times the standard deviation for Y, divided by the standard deviation for X. And that's going to give us our slope. You notice the 3.166 is the same as the 3.166 here in front of X. That's the slope right here. Okay, so now that we have slope, we have y equals 3.166x. We need to find b. One way to find b is to take the mean, the x, the mean for the y, and the mean for the x, and plug that in for the mean for y here. So y bar is equal to 3.166 times the mean for x, that's x bar. Okay. Alright, so we're going to do that. We're going to take y to 266.75 is equal to 3.166 times x bar. Right, so that is going to be 101.875 plus b. So we're trying to find out what b is equal to. Okay, 3.166 times 101. So 3.166 times 101 will give us 322. 266.75 minus 322 minus 322 will give us a b of negative 55. And so we put that all together, and we have y is equal to 3.166x minus 55.79. And that matches our equation. So we can have that done using the method that the book shows you, and corresponds with what Excel says.